Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and you're welcome to Creative EY's design course. And in this course, you'll be learning how to create amazing designs and how to animate them properly with After Effects. The tools we are going to be using in this course is Adobe Photoshop and Adobe After Effects. So you're all welcome in Jesus' name. So this basically is you learn how to animate design like a pro. So I am Ezekiel Ayomide Taiwo, popularly known as Creative EY, and I'm a brand designer, a graphic designer, and a top-rated web freelance designer. I am also a UI UX designer, and here's my portfolio. So let me just glide you through it, and please notice that I would be a little bit fast, so I will not consume a lot of time in this video because it is just basically introductory. So we're starting with my brand identity stroke logo design, and this is a food logo I make for a food brand. So the goal is to be minimalistic, and the logos are supposed to be unique, memorable, and appropriate. So it's supposed to be timeless too. So every logo has explanation, and after the client send the brief and all, so it's just basically it. This is a bento grid, and this is it, and this is it in black and white, and so on. The typography, the pattern, and mock-ups, just mock-ups. And this is basically some logos I've done a lot of projects, but based on MOUs and all, I can't really share them. So this is part of them. This is it too. These are logos, mind-blowing logos I've made for some brands. And let's move to Web3 designs too. So this is a Photoshop composition, or should I say a manipulation I did in Photoshop. All these elements I had to get them and creatively manipulate them and put them in one composition, so it could be pleasing to your eyes. You understand? It's basically it. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Now let's see my book designs. I create amazing book cover designs too. Okay, let's see them. We have two options. I do give my clients two options, option A and option B, so that they can actually choose and get to just go over it. I give them a choice rather. So that's basically it. So as you can see, so let's move to some of my packaging designs that I've done for some brands. This popcorn, this is this thing, and this is packaging leather design. This is for koi. This is Tridex too, Tridex, and Luxus granola. This is Chickies granola too, and amazing designs.